Thinking about using Yupoo in 2025, is it a hidden gem for shopping or just another online scam? In this video, we are breaking it all down fast, clear, and honest. And let's go. What is Yupoo? Yupoo isn't your typical shopping site. It's actually a photo sharing platform that sellers, mostly from China, use to showcase product images. These can be shoes, designer bags, clothing, watches, even tech accessories. But here's the catch: Yupoo doesn't have a checkout system, it is just a gallery. To buy something, you have to contact the seller, usually on WhatsApp, WeChat, or Instagram. That is where the gray area begins. Is Yupoo legit? Technically, Yupoo itself isn't a scam, it is just a photo host. The real question is whether the sellers using Yupoo are legit. Some buyers claim they have had good experiences, especially in the replica or budget fashion scene, but others report getting low quality products, wrong items, or no delivery at all. There's no buyer protection, no reviews, no secure payments. Once you send money, you are at the seller's mercy. Red flags to watch. Now, if you want to still take the risk, here's what to watch out for. Number one, prices. Prices that seem to be too good to be true. This is a red flag. The second thing is the sellers asking for payment through shady methods like Western Union or crypto, and no customer reviews or buyer feedback. In addition to that, poor communication or dodgy English in messages. Always ask for real photos, videos, or proof of past orders before sending any money. Conclusion. Now you may ask yourself, is it worth it or not? The platform itself, not a scam, but many sellers using it. That is a gamble. If you are looking for cheap replicas and know what you are doing, it can work. But if you want reliable service, guaranteed delivery, or legit branded products, stay away seriously. There are safer, better options out there. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.